Hello, Salesforce aficionados. Welcome to another episode of Admin Mastery, your go-to podcast for all things Salesforce administration. I'm your host, Careerya. Podcast Episode-38, Mastering Intermediate Salesforce Admin Interviews. Question 1. What is the difference between a role and a profile in Salesforce, and how do they work together? Answer 1. While a profile controls access to objects and fields, a role defines what data a user can access. They work together in determining both the functionality a user has, profile, and the data visibility, role. Example. Imagine you're a sales manager, role, with the ability to view and edit opportunities, profile. The combination of your role and profile ensures you have the necessary access and permissions. Next topic. Question 2 explores the power of automation. Question 2. What is the difference between workflow rules and process builder in Salesforce? Answer 2. Workflow rules are the traditional way of automating tasks in Salesforce, whereas the process builder is a more advanced tool that offers a visual interface for creating sophisticated processes. Question 3. Explain the use of validation rules and when they should be implemented in Salesforce. Answer 3. Validation rules ensure that data entered into records meets certain criteria before the record can be saved. They should be implemented when you want to enforce data quality and consistency. Example. Suppose you're managing leads, and you want to ensure that a lead with the status qualified must have a valid email address. A validation rule can prevent the record from being saved without this information. Question 4. What are sharing rules in Salesforce, and when would you use them? Answer 4. Sharing rules are used to extend access to records that are not accessible due to role hierarchy or organization-wide defaults. They should be used when you need to selectively share records with a group of users. Example. Imagine you have a custom object for project details, and you want to share specific projects with a cross-functional team. Sharing rules allow you to grant access to these records based on criteria. Question 5. How can you customize the Salesforce UI to enhance user experience? Answer 5. Salesforce offers various customization options, including creating custom tabs, modifying page layouts, and using compact layouts to display essential information. Question 6. What is the purpose of the scheduler in Salesforce, and how can it be utilized? Answer 6. The scheduler in Salesforce allows users to find and book appointments or allocate resources efficiently. It can be utilized to manage service appointments, interviews, or any scenario where scheduling is crucial. Example. Consider a service-oriented business where customers need to schedule appointments for consultations. The scheduler simplifies the process by allowing customers to book available slots. Question 7. Compare Data Import Wizard and Data Loader in Salesforce. When would you choose one over the other? Answer 7. The Data Import Wizard is a user-friendly tool for importing a small amount of data, while the Data Loader is a more robust tool designed for bulk data operations. Example. If you have a list of new leads in a spreadsheet, the Data Import Wizard is ideal. However, if you're migrating a large volume of historical data, the Data Loader's efficiency becomes apparent. Question 8. What are permission sets in Salesforce, and how do they differ from profiles? Answer 8. Permission sets are used to grant additional permissions to users, extending beyond what their profiles allow. They differ from profiles in that they can be added to users without changing their profiles. Example: suppose you have a group of users who need temporary access to a specific app or feature. Instead of modifying their profiles, you can create a permission set to grant them the necessary permissions. Question 9. Explain the purpose of Salesforce communities and how they can benefit organizations. Answer 9. Salesforce communities provide a platform for organizations to connect with customers, partners, and employees, fostering collaboration, knowledge sharing, and engagement. Example: consider a scenario where you want to create a community for customer support. Customers can log in, ask questions, and interact with each other. Question 10. What are joined reports in Salesforce, and how can they be used for reporting? Answer 10. Joined reports allow users to combine multiple report blocks into a single report, providing a comprehensive view of related data. Example: imagine you want to create a report that shows the number of closed-won opportunities alongside the associated customer satisfaction ratings. Joined reports allow you to display these two sets of data in a single report. Subscribe to Careerya for more insights.